like I said, RC stuff, I'm just about had it. I'm just going to use what I got and try to get just one thing up before I take out my sports cover again and go fly. I'm going to try one more time, and that's it. So I got to take a walk to a $1.98 store. This used to be a 99-cent store. I'm deciding on yellow, orange. I don't want black, but we'll figure out a color together. I'm still waiting on my exchange, and I'm in a decision with the DJI mic too. Well, at least waiting. Well, I like my Fuel Aim X5. Man, I put it in the charger case. It was dead. I recharged the case, and the receiver didn't charge. I'm not sure what happened, because I was charging everything. Yeah, things do happen, and they do happen for reasons, and we got to figure them out and think about what we did to make it happen. Do you know what happened? I don't. Well, sometimes it's good to be slow, and sometimes it's good to be busy, and sometimes. Alright, I got enough video, enough scene, so I could go practice and make a decision later on and do things and keep busy. But I'm gonna head on out on a nice, wonderful, dry day. And I got a lot of things still to take care of. It is what it is, and we'll make do with what we got. And we'll have a good time doing it and sharing it to the world. As you know, I said a lot, did a lot, and I talked a lot. And you know who I am. And I'll see you on another video. And on that note, I'll catch you later.